Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting problem in which we have to find the value of x and we are given 3 raised to power root x equals to 6 raised to power x square. Now here we are going to use a log property which is a raised to power log x base a can be written as log x. So by using this property in our problem 3 raised to power root x equals to 3 raised to power log 6 base 3 raised to power x square. It will become 3 raised to power x equals to 3 raised to power x square times log 6 base 3. Now, since bases are same, their power will also be equal. So we get root x equals to x square log 6 base 3. Now square both sides. So we get x raised to power 1 by 2 whole square equals to x square log 6 base 3 whole square. These two will get cancelled out. We get x equals to x raised to power 4 log 6 base 3 whole square. Now bring this right hand side to the left hand side. We get x raised to power 4 log 6 base 3 whole square minus x equals to 0. Now take x common. We get x cube log 6 base 3 whole square minus 1 equals to 0. From here we get two values of x equals to 0 and x raised to power 3 log 6 base 3 square minus 1 equals to 0. It will become x cube log 6 log 3 whole square minus 1 equals to 0. This can be written as x cube log 6 divided by log 3 raised to power 2 equals to 1. Now divide both sides by log 6 by log 3 whole square, and on the right hand side we have 1 divided by log 6 log 3 raised to power 2. So this will get cancelled out and we get x cube equals to log 3 divided by log 6 whole square, and this can be written as log 3 base 6 whole square. Now take cube root on both sides. We get x cube raised to power 1 by 3 equals to log 3 base 6 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 1 by 3. So this will get cancelled out and we get x equals to log 3 base 6 raised to power 2 by 3. So we have two values of x. One is x equals to 0 and other is x equals to log 3 base 6 raised to power 2 by 3. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.